there are so many things out there for men that you have these TRT clinics of saying your testosterone's low and that's why you're so tired and that's why you have brain fog. But again, no one's looking at the sleep. No one's looking at the airway. No one's looking at the breathing. No one's looking at your oxygen levels. And that's something that we do. That's something that we strongly emphasize because not only does that cause a decline in your health, but chronic pain, headaches, muscle dysfunction, all these things start coming out. And so when you treat one without the other, you miss the root cause.